To install Google Camera on the Redmi Note 14 Pro, first of all, you will have to start by opening Google Play Store, and you will have to search for this application GCam. That's how it actually looks. This is the icon of the application, and once you actually download it, you will have to just open and accept the notification permission. Now, if you are watching this video like 8 months after release or 1 year, then probably you already can find this APK file for Redmi Note 14 Pro. I'm recording this video like 2-3 weeks after release of the Redmi Note 14 Pro, so this is the reason why there is no official APK file. But you can still do this by using this one trick. Go into GCam, and now at the top input Note 13 or 14 phrase and search for the previous version, like in my case. Here we got the GCam an 8.9 version, and we have to just click start downloading. Sometimes you will get this pop-up ads, but after a few moments you can just simply close them. And here you can find the downloading process. After the download will be finished, you can just go straight into your file manager. Now you have to go into your storage, go into download, and you have to search for this file. Now tap on it once, accept this installation from unknown sources, then click I'm aware of the possible risks and assume all possible consequences, and wait for the 10 seconds and click OK in the right bottom corner. Now click on the install button of the Google Camera, just wait a little bit, and after a few seconds we will be able to use it. Now as you can see, we got this risky app, but we can just simply click to skip. You don't have to scan this one. So click skip, and now click skip again to install that file. Then you can simply search for this Google Camera. That's how it actually looks. It's a little bit different than the stock camera application. Now we can open it, accept some camera permissions, and we can simply start recording and taking photos with the Google Camera on our Redmi Note 14 Pro.